This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. What do you think will happen when you run this code? Keep in mind when you write something here and hit run, it is submitted to your teacher, from your teacher, that is me, and it won't let you change it. So let's really think about this. When run, okay, so I bet everything attached to this block, we've seen this before, will, I don't know, run when we click run. Make new, a tumbleweed, I guess? Okay, so make a new tumbleweed sprite at 300 and then 99. Interesting. Oh wait, look, that if I hover over this, if you see next to my mouse, there's an X that says 208, and then there's a Y that says 280. So there's like a secret hidden graph behind this, and it's an XY graph, right? Like you would see in math. So that would mean that X always comes first, so 300X, 99Y. Let's see where that, oh, wait a minute. So it increases X as I move, oh. So it looks like 0X would be down here. Okay, so it looks like the tumbleweed is spawned exactly at 300X and 99Y. So it's going to make this tumbleweed, and then what? Alright, so the next line of code says, once the tumbleweed's made, sprite tumbleweed, okay, this guy, begins tumbling. So I assume tumbling is to roll, so this sprite begins to roll. Now keep in mind, I do want to talk through this with you. If you copy what I have word for word, we call that, I don't know, cheating. It is plagiarism. So make sure this is in your own words. Think about what I just said, and if you aren't totally understanding, make sure to go back and listen again. Because you do want to get this, it will make your life easier later on, I promise. So what did I think? I was going to say, after clicking run, comma, a new tumbleweed, I assuming what that is, that's what that is, sprite is created at 300x, comma, 99 and 99y. This tumbleweed sprite then starts to roll. So make sure you have yours in your own words. Let's see. Ba-ba-ba-dum. Awesome. Onward.